I've gotten a little crazy, and I went ahead and picked up 3 boxes of nickels from 3 different Wells Fargo banks, hoping to continue to complete my early Jefferson or my Buffalo sets. That being said, let's choose a box of nickels to hunt and see what we can find. Got one of these older boxes here, and you know what? I've already opened those two, and they are circulated. And I can see on the bottom of this one that it is circulated as well. Kind of interested to see if we have any good enders or anything worth taking an extra peek at here. Let's open it together. All right. Well, I don't see any interesting ends, but I will tell you, I do see some early Jeffersons. I'm seeing a lot of the more recent type Jefferson fronts as well, so this might be a box that's not going to contain a lot of oldies, but you never know until you get into them. Why am I sitting here jabbering? Let's get into it. We're on roll number 4, and I've pulled out a couple of dandies, a 62 and a 63 that are pretty much almost uncirculated. We also found a 59, and look at this though. I see that we have a 39, and right behind it a 42. Figured I'd bring in, you know, I'm looking for that 39D, as always. And we still are looking for it. So we did find a 39P, and we've also got a 42 here, and it looks non-silver to me. Probably looks non-silver to you as well. And it is non-silver, 42P. Still, good couple of coins right there at the front of this roll. Let's keep looking. Very next roll, roll number 5, and look at this. Another 42. Another non-silver and another Philadelphia. But you know what? We take those. That Liberty's in pretty bad shape though, right? Yeah, a little bit of dinged up there. Another 42. Let's find some more. We're on roll 11, guys, and it's been a while since I found a coin that is gold in a nickel roll. You'll recall way back, man, I don't know, last November or December, I found 2 gold-colored or 2 gold-toned coins in a roll, or a couple of rolls, and I posted a video. I'll put a link above. I'll put a link up here so you guys can take a look. But, curious to see, pretty gold-looking. What if it's one of those 2005 Buffaloes again? No. It's a gold-toned regular Jefferson 2000. You can tell it's gold toned because it's wearing away a little bit. Still a cool find. Pull it aside. One of the cool finds. Roll number 14, guys, and just started to crack it open, and I noticed what appears to be the color of silver. It is. And you know what? It's a 43. Is it a 43D? It is. Holy cow. I've got my first 43D Silver War nickel ever. Unbelievable. I just want to make sure it doesn't say P for a second. It's a 43D. It's the one of the 4 I don't have. 43D Silver War nickel, my first one I've got coin roll hunting to help complete my set. Unbelievable. I just want to take a second to show you guys that the 43D War nickel right here, 43D, only 15.3 million minted. So that's a good find. It was the hardest of, it's the lowest minted of all of the Silver Wartime Nickels, and we've got one. That's probably why it was hard to find. Roll 16, another 40s nickel here, guys. 1947 Philadelphia. Third from the 40s. Roll 20, guys, and I've got kind of a green tinted thin one here. Figured I'd try to grab it out with you. We've got another 1943. And this one's a P. And this one's another Silver Wartime Nickel. Can't tell if that's a crack or something on there. I'm going to take a look at this under the microscope. But hey, guess what? It's our second Silver War nickel. Roll 24 yields another 40s coin. 1941, Philadelphia. That's our fourth 40s from the box, other than the 2 wartime nickels. Roll 31. Got another 40s nickel here. Another 41. This time a Denver. All right. Starting to stack up the finds in the 40s. And the 50s are also stacking up. Roll number 37, guys. And look what we got here. Another 1939 to look at. Can it be the 39D? There's a mint mark. It's an S. You know what? That's better than a 39P. A 39S. Man, that was close. I'll take that all day, every day, though, because I think that's under 6 or 7 million minted, so that's a good find as well. So we've got 2 39s in this box, along with 2 war nickels, and hard to find 2 42s. There they are. Hard to find, I guess. Anyway, wow, close. We're getting closer. Roll 49, guys, and we got a 40s coin here, and I caught a glimpse of it. And this 1940 is really nice. Even the back's pretty good. Never got punched with full steps, you can tell, because it's not dinged up that bad. But holy cow, that's a beautiful 1940. I'll take that all day. That's the nicest of the 40s. Thing's pretty clean. And that makes 6 in the 40s. So let's finish this box up so I can get you a wrap up. All right, we've hunted that box of nickels, and it was a good box. We've got 5 album-worthy coins from the 60s. Maybe not this last one. We'll take a closer look at it, but these are in great shape. I think it was a 60, a 62, and a couple of 63s. 3 coins worth mentioning. A gold-toned coin, a coin with a hole in the middle, and another one of those cool rainbow-toned coins, and the back is pinkish or purple. Pretty cool. 4 2009s. We ended up getting 12 from the 50s. Earliest was a couple of 53s, a 54. We got a 56 and 2 57s. We got 2 58s and 4 59s. And this 59 might be album worthy as well. Really nice. In the 40s, we ended up with 6. A beautiful 1940. We got a couple of 41s, a couple of 42s. And then we also got a 47. In the 30s, we got 2 39s, a Philadelphia and a San Francisco, and I still need the Denver, but I'm happy with that. And 2 wartime nickels, both are 43, and I didn't have the Denver mint for my collection, one of the 4 coins I've been looking for, and we got it. So now we have a Denver, and I believe this was a Philadelphia. Yep. So pretty good hunt, pretty good finds. Whenever you can get a couple of key finds, especially one you need for your collection, you can't go wrong. Hopefully you enjoyed the hunt with me, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.